वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं भरते कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Sati Saptami is some or left out. We will complete that. And then two or three passages having Shanach, Shatru Shanach, that will be. Now let us do. This is 32, sentence number 32. Last class we did up to 31. यदा माता पुत्रं स्मरन्ती आसीत् तदा पुत्रः आगतवान्. So two sentences are there. So we have to make a Shatran, Sati Saptami, convert into a Shatranta Rupam. So Mata Putram Smaranti Asit, number one. Number two, Putraha Agatavan. So the answer is that Putram Smarantya Matari Satyam Saha Agatavan, Putraha Agatavan. Then Karmani of this sentence, Yada Matra Putraha Sparyamanaha. Then I'd have to ask Asit is there. Tada Putraha Agatavan, Saha Agatavan, Saha Putraha. Sati Saptami would be Matra Putre Smaryamane Sati Saha Agatavan. Right? So yeah, you don't have any past tense. Past tense also can be Yada Matra Putram Smaranti already given. Just take the sentence like what we did, how we did the previous one, same way. Please see. Yada um, Mata Putram Smaranti Asi, that we can make it be a Kriya Pada. What is Kriya Pada? क्रियापदम लट् लकारे स्मरति, लङ् लकारे
अस्मरत्,
अस्मरत्. An equivalent nishta would be स्मृतवती.
स्मृतवती,
तदा पुत्रः आगतवान्. So we did all the sentences before. This is Kartari. You can do 30 of that. And Karmani also will do after that we do. Yada matra putraha latlakara karmani would be smaryate, right? And this also will become
Asmarata.
asmaryata.
Asmaryata.
And equivalent nishta would be
Smritam.
mrtaha.
Smritaha.
Because putra
स्मृतः,
is abhigita.
Mm.
Now sati would be take out the yada tada. This is what I did. For Shatranta I did, but now here Nishta also is there. Mata Putram Smarati will become,
स्मरन्त्यां,
yeah, Satyam. Because Smarant, Mata also will become Matari. Right?
मातरि,
Matari.
yeah,
Putram, you just got put it here. Putram Matari Smarantyam Satyam. And Asmarat Langlakara. Smritavati will become Smritavatyam. Right. पुत्रम मातरी स्मरन्त्याम स्मृतवत्याम. स्मृतवती शब्द सप्तमी is तदीर शब्दवत्. Then पुत्रः आगतवान्, right? This is कर्तरी. Then कर्मणि would be यदा मात्रा पुत्रः स्मर्यते. That part. सती कर्मणि शानच् will come. मात्रा पुत्रः
स्मर्यमाणे,
Maryamani.
स्मर्यमाने सती. स्मृतः will become
स्मर्यते,
Smriti.
no no. स्मृते
स्मर्यते,
कब प्रत्यय
Smriti.
स्मृतः स्मृते, right? स्मृते सती सा पुत्रः आगतवान्. वै स्मृतः is
because
there. Saptami of that will be
कर्मणि,
karmani
कर्मणि,
only. Yeah, it's ka pratyaya
see,
denotes karma only, object only.
see, X will
Putraha,
not come,
yada matra putra become putre. Kshamita, that also change it. Yada matra putre smaryamane or smrite. Why yak? So ka pratyaya is. But yak is here, smaryamane.
oh,
How in nishta pratyaya will come? Chad dhatu ka pratyaya.
okay,
Yak will not come there. Yak, when yak, okay, when yak will come? What's the rule? Yak will come only in, yak is a what pratyaya? It's a vikarana pratyaya. Will come only when a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows. Sarvadhatuka pratyaya either te, karmani prayoga or shanach in shanach. Here dhatu is there, right?
hmm.
Now we are having nishta. Nishta is dhatu plus ta pratyaya kridanta krit pratyaya. When Krita is there, how Yak will come? Krita is not, and here the Krita happens with Ta or Tavatu. How Yak will come here? This is not a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Only when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Kartari Shap, Utsarga is Shap, Karmani Yak. Here Adadhatuka Pratyaya follows, right? How Yak will come? No Vikrama Pratyaya, nothing will come here. then in that case, how you get gataha? You must get gamyataha, something like that. Gayataha. No, not like that, right?
Mm.
The rule must, you have to remember this rule important. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows a dhatu, kartari shap will come for the first conjugation, fourth conjugation sham, sixth conjugation sha, etc. For other conjugations accordingly, whatever gonna be pratyaya. In karmani, yak will come. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows a dhatu. So dhatu plus sarvadhatuka pratyaya, then yak will come after the dhatu. It's a rule. When ardhatuka pratyaya follows, is there any rule that yak will come? No. Ta pratyaya
But
itself
still,
denotes karma, right?
but we are doing karmani, no? So that's the reason I thought.
Karmani, therefore, it will denote karma only. So here, yada putraha smrtaha. Smrtaha, the pratyaya itself denote karma. What is the karma in the sentence?
Putra.
Putraha, karma is denoted. And
Okay.
putraha, when it becomes putre, the smrtaha will become smrte, saptami of the smrta.
Okay.
Smrte. Why this new doubt? This is how we have done all 30 sentences.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, right.
So now 33. यदा अर्चकः पूजयन् आसीत् तदा पुष्पप्रसादः प्राप्तः अर्चकः पूजयन् आसीत् इज इक्वल टू अपूजयत् लंग और निष्ठारूपं पूजितवान् अपूजयत् तकार सार्वधातुक प्रत्यय that's why yak comes या is yak निष्ठा प्रत्यय where is yak पूजितवान् अर्चकः पूजितवान् तदा प्रसादः प्राप्तः already I have done here अर्चके पूजितवती सती सः आगतवान् सः न सः सः पुष्पप्रसादः प्राप्तः that is सती सप्तमी अर्चके पूजितवती we will do it I will delete this you know we will do now यदा अर्चकः पूजयन् आसीत् we will rewrite this यदा अर्चकः पूजयति पूजयति is लट्लकार पूजयन् आसीत् is अपूजयत् it is equal to निष्ठा
पूजितवान्
प्रत्यय पूजितवान्
Uchitavan.
तदा पुष्पप्रसादः प्राप्तः this is कर्तरि कर्मणि also we will do and then sati यदा अर्चकः will become
अर्चकेन
Chakena.
यदा अर्चकेन
पूज्यते
पूज्यते
Pujitam.
पूज्यते लट् and this
पूज्य
become
पूज्यत
अपूज्यता and here it is
पूजितं
Pujitam.
पूजितम्
Pujitam.
तदा पुष्पप्रसादः प्राप्तः सति would be यदा तथा अर्चकः पूजयति will become
Achake.
अर्चके
अर्चके
Pujayati.
not this will be
पूज्यमाने
not पूज्यमान
Pujayati.
पूजयति
how पूजयति this is लट्लकार अर्चके मातरी
उ-
यथा
उज्यते
माता पुत्रं स्मरति, स्मरन्ति, स्मरन्त्यां, what it is that? It is Shatru. So we are doing Pujayati. Oh, you are telling, okay, Shatranta, Pujayati. Okay, okay, sorry. You are telling Shatranta. Yes. I hope you are telling Shatranta, right? Pujayan, Pujayanto. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Right.
okay. And Pujitawan will become Archake, Pujitavati. Archake, Pujitavati, or Pujayati, Pushpa Prasadaha, Praptaha. So Karmani would be Archakena, Pujyate will become Pujyamane Sati or
पूजिते
Pujite Sati. Pushpa Prasadaha, Praptaha. That's in all the other previous sentences I have not done for I have not done Shatru. Because Shatru already we have done. That's why I have not done. It's only Kshanash here. All the previous examples, whatever we did in the last class and even before.
Hmm.
So I'm not done for Shatru. Anyway, we are doing Shatru. Okay. यदा रवीन्द्रः कथयन् आसीत्. So we'll make all the lakara, I mean lang lakara, let and lang. यदा रवीन्द्रः कथयति, let lakara, कथयन् आसीत् is
कथयत्
कथयत्, or equivalent nishta is
कथितवान्
Katitavan.
तदा अहं बाल्यं स्मृतवती. तदा अहं मम बाल्यं स्मृतवती. Then the karmani of this would be,
रवीन्द्रेण
Ravindrena.
yes, Ravindrena. Nakara or Murdanya? Which one will
बुद्धन्
come?
बुद्धन्
Murdanya. Natto.
कथ्यते
So yeah,
Katyati.
yes. Katyate.
Katyata.
अकथ्यत
Akatyata. And this here, karma
Katita.
not there. Therefore,
कथितं
Katita.
bhave prayoga.
Katita.
Katitam, why katita?
कथितं
Oh, okay.
Katita, when you say, then Vivaksha comes, what is the object of telling? That is not there.
Okay.
Then Sati would be Yada,
Ravindri.
Yada not required,
रवीन्द्रेण
Ravindraha,
Ravindre.
Ravindre,
Ravindre.
Ravindre, not Ravindren. We are doing that Sati
रवीन्द्रे
Ravindre.
Saptami.
Sati.
ओके
Saptam.
Ravindre,
Katayati.
Katayati, Latlakara, okay, we have done not Katayati, Katayati only, right? Ravindre, Katayati, Atava, Akatayat, that will not be either. Akatit, Katit, Ravindre, Katayati, or Katitavan will become Katitavati, right? Sati. Ravindre, Katayati, Sati, or Katitavati, Sati, Aham Balyam Smritavati, right?
Hmm.
Then Karmani sentence is there. That Sati Saptami of that would be
रवीन्द्रेण
Ravindrena
तथ्यमाने
Katyavani.
Adi-
They replace it by Mana. Mane. Katitam will become
कथिते
Katito. सति
सति
मम बाल्यं स्मृतवती. Similarly, यदा भक्तः स्मरन्तः आसन् तदा विष्णुः आगतः. यदा भक्तः लट्लकार would be
स्मरन्ति
स्मरन्ति. लङ् would be अस्मरन्. अस्मरन्
अस्मरन्
बहुवचनं.
Asmaran. Asmaran.
निष्ठा would be स्मृता
मन्तः
अन्तः. तदा विष्णुः आगतः. कर्मणि of this sentence would be
भक्तैः
भक्तैः.
Taihi.
स्मरन्ति will become
Smaryati.
स्मर्यते. एकवचनं
स्मर्यते
because object not there. भावे प्रयोगः. अस्मरण will become
Asmaryata.
स्मर्यत.
अस्मर्यत
स्मृतवन्तः
Smritah.
स्मृतं
स्मृतं.
स्मृतं
तदा विष्णुः आगतः. The sati of this would be भक्ताः स्मरन्. It's not स्मरन्ते. भक्ताः स्मरन्ति. I think I'm typing mistake.
स्मरन्ति
स्मरन्ति will become भक्ताः सति सप्तमी. भक्ताः will become भक्तेषु.
भक्तेषु
स्मरत्सु. Right? भक्तेषु स्मरत्सु. Then स्मृतवन्तः will become स्मृतवत्सु.
वत्सु
सत्सु. Everything बहुवचनं. भक्तेषु स्मरत्सु स्मृतवत्सु सत्सु विष्णुः आगतः.
आगतः
Now, कर्मणि of that this sentence would be
भक्तैः
भक्तैः.
स्मर्यमाणे
Yes. स्मर्यमाणे
स्मृते
स्मृते सति. यदेकवचनं. विष्णुः आगतः. Similarly, यदा भगिन्यः असन्त्यः तदा पिता आगतवान्. So we can do lat as well as lang. यदा भगिन्यः बहुवचनं of भगिनी santi, lang would be
Asan.
असत्
आह सन्.
Asan.
असन्
Asan.
आह सन्. निष्ठा would be
Asitavatyah.
asitavatyah. That is what is there before asitavatyam iti. Right? Karmani would be asitavatyah. Why specific? Karmani of the sentence would be yada bhaginyah will become
Bhagini bihi.
भगिनीभिः
asanti will become
Asyate.
अस्यते
ahasat
असत्
no ahasyata
अहस्यत
Ahasyata.
and
Asitam.
asita tam.
असितं
Asitam. Asitam.
तदा पिता आगतवान्. So, सति भी यदा भगिन्यः will become भगिनीषु.
Bhagini.
असन्ति will become
सन्तीषु
very good. असन्तिषु becomes असन्तिषु. भगिनीषु असन्तिषु सत्सु. सतीषु not satsu. सतीषु श्रीलिंग. सतीषु. Ahasan, that equivalent is asita satishu.
मतीषु
Satishu. Not satsu because reading now. Stilinga, we have to use sati, satyo, ikaranta shabd. Now, karmani of that would be yada bagini vihi hasyate, bagini vihi hasyate,
हस्यमाने
hasyamane, and asitam,
हसिते
asite, sati, pita agatavan. यदा शिक्षिका पाठयन्ती आसीत् तदा परिवीक्षकः परिशीलितवान्. This also we can that also. यदा शिक्षिका पाठयन्ती पाठयन्ती आसीत् be अपाठयन्, right?
Patayan.
पाठयन्.
पाठयन्
निष्ठा would be पाठिता
Patita.
अटितवती
ति तदा परिवीक्षः शीलितवान्. This is कर्तरि. Karmani of that would be
शिक्षिकया
यदा शिक्षिकया. Patayanti will become
Patayanti.
no Patayant Karmani,
पाठ्य पाठ्यन्ते
not Patiyante. Why
पाठ्यते पाठ्यते
Patyate? Dhatu is party. Party plus yak plus te part, then ya plus te yate.
पाठ्यते
And this is ya is adadadaka pratyaya. Can you take itagama? Yes or no? Yak is adadadaka pratyaya.
नु
It cannot take, it is Valadi, not Valadi. Only Valadi adadadaka pratyaya will take itagama. Because ya is not included in val. In fact, val is that which covers all the consonants except ya. So the pratyaya should be adadatuka pratyaya and beginning with val letter. Here it is not. Therefore, no itagama possible. Therefore, anit. When anit follows, and this is a causative, nich is that ni, that e will drop. So rule, we have seen that before also. Yada shikshikaya patyate. Similarly, apatayan will become
अपाठ्यत
apatyata. And patitavati will become
पाठि
patitavati will become patita and patitham.
पाठितम्
Pumsakaling. Yada shikshikaya patyate apatyata patitam tada parivikshakaha parishilitavan. Sati of this. Shikshika karman katari. Shikshika patayanti will become patayanti. Okay. Srilinga. Shikshika patayanti sati. Sati apatayan. That patitavati is there. Shikshika patita. We are doing Saptami, sorry. Shikshika will become Shikshika. What happened? Because of course that problem. Shikshika, Shikshikayam, Patayanti, Patayantyam,
पाठितवती
Satyam, right? And Patitavatyam, Satyam, Parivikshikaha, Parishilitavam.
परिशीलितवान्
That's the Sati Saptami. Take the Karta and the respective Kranta into Saptami. शिक्षिकायां पाठयन्ती पाठयन्त्यां, right? And similarly here, karmani is shanach will come. So therefore shikshikaya, and patayate become patya.
पाठ्यमानि
Manish.
Patyamane what linga? Napumsakalinga saptami, because this is bhave prayoga, karma not there, right? Patyamanam, patyamane, patyamanani. Patyamanam, patyamane, patyamanani. Saptami of that patyamana napumsakalinga shabda is patyamane, not pullinga. If pullinga is there, then what is the karma? Karma not there. Karma has to be pullinga for this to be pullinga. That's why bhave prayoga, right? Napumsakalinga we have to take. So therefore shikshikaya patyamane or pati
पाठिते
patite sati. Then paririkshikaha parishilitavan. That is the sati. Yada saha griha nirmanam kurvan asid. Tada ishtikaha patitaha. Ishtikaha is bricks. They fall. They fell. Now, yada saha griha nirmanam. Latlakara is
कुर्वति
karoti.
करोति sorry
Karoti.
sir
Karoti.
करोति
Kurvan asid will become past tense. Langlakara
Karot.
akarot. Equivalent
Kritavan.
nishta
Kritavan. Kritavan.
kritavan. Tada ishtikaha patitaha. What prayoga is this kartari?
कर्तरि
Karmani would be yada saha, not saha yada tena.
Then.
Griha nirmanam is the object. Griha nirmanam karoti will become
Kriyati.
क्रियते
kriyate. Akarot will become
Kriyate.
akriyata. Akriyata. Patparipada.
कृतं
Kritam. Tada ishtikaha patitaha. Now sati would be saha will become
Tena.
not tena. Why tena? We are not doing karmani.
Oh, okay.
This
Okay.
is
Kartari.
kartari into sati. Tasmin griha nirmanam kurvati sati, right? Then kritavan will become kritavati
कृतवती
sati. Tada ishtikaha patitaha, right? Griha nirmanam tasmin kurvati. Tasmin is saha only. It's sati saptami. That will go in saptami. Karmani prayoge tena will remain tena. That already 30 years, nothing will happen. Tena. Griha nirmanam will become
Kriyamani.
क्रियमाणे
nirmane. Kriyate will become
क्रियमाणे
kriyamane.
Kriyamani.
Nattam also happens. Kriyamane. Akriyata, equivalent is kritam. Akriyata, nothing. Equivalent is kritanta required. Kritam will become
कृते
krite.
Kriti.
Sati. Tada ishtikaha patitaha. Ishtikaha, what linga? Strilinga. Ishtika, ishtike, ishtikaha. यदा सूर्यः अस्तं गच्छति तदा वयं गृहं गच्छामः. Okay, already it is present tense, but we will do lang lakara also. Yada suryah astam gacchati or
Agachat.
अगच्छत्
gacchat, then
Gatavan.
गतवान्
gatavan. Tada vayam griham agacchamaha. This is kartari. Karmani would be yada suryah,
सूर्येण
suryena
Suryena. Gamyati.
गम्यते
अस्तं गम्यते,
अगम्यत,
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 गतम्,
गतम,
गतं। तदा वयं कथम् आगच्छामः? The word asta, what linga is that? Astam, you can take it as napumsakalinga. Asta, you can take it as pullinga, napumsakalinga, but the pullinga is given. But anyway, we can take pullinga. Asta, aspurvakakta pratyaya, I think, setting, pullinga. So astam karmani would be then astaha, then becomes gataha. We take it as a pullinga. Asta is pullinga. So then it becomes astaha agamyata. Astaha agamyate gataha. Okay, now sati would be kartari. Yada suryaha astam, not yada, okay. Yada surye astam gacchati is gacchati. Astam surye gacchati sati agachat, then gata one will become gatavati
गतवती,
sati. Vayam griham agacchavaha. Then karmani would be yada suryena only. Here asta is, you can take it as aste. यदा सूर्ये न अस्ते गम्यमाने
गम्यमानी, गते,
और गते सति somewhere I saw Astamas Tapu neutral gender. I mean, Avyaya. It's okay. We'll take it as Pullinga and then we take it. It's okay. यदा शिक्षकः आगच्छति तदा छात्राः तूष्णीम् अभवन् यदा शिक्षकः आगच्छति
आगच्छत्,
लट्लकार
आगच्छत्,
आगच्छत् और
आगतवान्,
आगतवान्,
तवान् तदा छात्राः तूष्णीम्
अभवन्,
अभवन्. I just joined this. कर्मणि would be यदा शिक्षकेन
केन,
कर्म not the therefore will be bhave priyata. शिक्षकेन
आगम्यते,
आगम्यते और
आगम्यत,
अगम्यत,
and here it is
आगतम्,
आगतम्, आगतम्,
गतम्. तदा छात्राः तूष्णीम् अभवन् तूष्णीम् अभवन्. सति would be
शिक्षकेण आगम्यमाने,
we are not doing कर्मणि कर्तरि here.
शिक्षके, शिक्षके,
Okay,
शिक्षके आगच्छति,
आगच्छति,
आगच्छति and here
आगतवती,
आगतवती no. Why आगतवती? शिक्षका only. आगता आगते
आगते,
इति. Right?
आगते,
शिक्षका पुल्लिंग, not शिक्षिका. शिक्षके
हम्म,
आगच्छति आगते सति छात्राः तदा not, that should not be. तदा छात्राः तूष्णीमभवन्. Then कर्मणि here शिक्षकेन आगम्यते भावे प्रयोगः not कर्मणि. शिक्षकेन आगम्य माने.
माने,
माने, माने,
Then here it becomes
आगते,
आगते सति छात्राः तूष्णीमभवन्. Right? What did I do? Change the same thing, huh? शिक्षकेन आगम्यम गम्य शिक्षकेन आगम्यमाने आगते सति छात्राः तुष्टिम् अभवन्। शिक्षकेन आगम्यते आगम्यते और आगतम तदा छात्राः। ओके। यदा रामः वनं गच्छति तदा दशरथः प्राणान् त्यजति। यदा रामः वनं
गच्छति
गच्छति
गच्छति गच्छति और
अगच्छत्
आगच्छत्
गच्छत्
गतवान्
और
गतवान्
गतवान् तदा दशरथः प्राणान् त्यजति। कर्तरि then कर्मणि of this would be
रामेण
राम- रामेण
रामेण
वनं गम्यते
गम्यते
yes वनं गम्यते then लं would be
गम्यत
गम्यत
गतं
गतं
gatham because vanam is karma prathama vibhakti. Then sati would be यदा रामः
रामे
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 वनं
yes रामे
वनं
वनं
गच्छति
वनं गच्छति
गच्छति अगच्छत् नो गते
गते
रामे वनं गते सति दशरथः प्राणान् त्यजति।
त्यजति
Then कर्मणि of this यदा रामेण रामेण
वनं
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 गम्यमाने
गम्यमाने गम्यमाने
रामेण वनं गम्यमाने सति और
गते
गते सति दशरथः प्राणान् त्यजति। यदा कौसल्या आगच्छति तदा सीता उत्तिष्ठति। यदा कौसल्या आगच्छति और
आगच्छति आगच्छत्
आगच्छत्
आगच्छत् दृष्टा
आगत्
आग-
आगतवती
गतवती आगतवती
आगतवती तदा सीता उत्तिष्ठति। Okay, present tense is there. Uttishtati, past tense would be udatishtat. Ut purvaka atishtat, right? Tishtati is lat lakara. Atishtat lang lakara. Atishtat then ud upasarga becomes udatishtat. Lesson.
हम्म,
Read out in that. Udatishtat. Tishtati, tishtataha, tishtanti. Lat lang lakara would be atishtat, atishtatam, atishtan.
तिष्ठत्
After adding attagama to the kriya padam, then only upasarga should be added. So ut is added. Udatishtat. Just happens. Udatishtat. So I'm taking langa, past tense here because the sentence itself is in present. Then past tense we cannot use past participle. That's why I'm taking like that. So karmani would be Kausalya becomes
कौसल्यया
Kausalyaya agachati
आगम्यते
agamyate agachat
आगम्यत
agamyata
आगम्यत
agatavati
आगतम्
आगतम्
agatam tada sita adu udatishtat. Sati would be Kausalya
कौसल्यायां
Kausalyayam. Yes. Saptami. Kausalyayam agachati becomes
आगच्छत्याम्
agachantyam.
सन्त्याम्
आगच्छन्त्याम्
Plus gachanti agachanti is a pradipadi. And here agata vatyam
आगतवत्याम्
satyam sita udattishtat. Karmani would be Kausalyaya
आगम्यमाने
आगम्यमाने
agamyamane
आगते
agate. Sati Sita उदतिष्ठत् यदा त्वं यदा त्वम् आगच्छसि अहं गृहे तिष्ठामि सिंपल वन यदा त्वम् आगच्छसि और पास्ट टेंस
आगच्छः
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 and त्वम् आगतवान्.
आगतवान्
आगतवान्
Here also tishtami past tense is atishtat. You can take atishtat. Agam गृहे atishtat. This is कर्तरी. कर्मणि would be यदा त्वं
त्वया
त्वया
sorry यदा त्वया tell me आगम्यते.
आगम्यसे
आगम्यते
आगम्यते
Here also आगम्यत
गम्यत
and here becomes
आगतम्
आगतम्. अहं गृहे अतिष्ठत्. सति would be सति कर्तरी.
त्वयि
त्वयि very good. त्वयि
आगच्छति
आगच्छति.
आगच्छति
We take त्वयि to be त्वं to be pullinga. If it is strilinga then agachantyam you have to say. If we take त्वयि the त्वं to be strilinga. Anyway we are taking as a pullinga. त्वम् आगच्छति त्वयि आगच्छति or त्वयि आगतवती.
मति
अहं गृहे अतिष्ठत्. कर्मणि would be त्वया
आगम्यमाने
गम्यमाने
आगम्यमाने. If it is strilinga त्वया आगम्यमानायाम. सत्याम आगते सती. Right? अहं गृहे अतिष्ठत्. Okay, next sentence we have to join and then do. It's a good one. पुत्रः परीक्षायाम् उत्तरपूर्वक उत्तीर्णति is what is the dhatu uttirnati? Uttirnati is not there. It's a wrong actually word. Uttirnaha prapnoti is correct because tirna is itself is ta pratyaya. Tru plus ta pratyaya tirnaha will come. Uttirnati there is no dhatu which makes like this. So parikshayam putraha parikshayam uttirnam prapnoti. I just change it. It's wrong actually. It's not be like that. Uttirnati will not come because utpurvaka dhatu is through dhatu. Through dhatu there is no word uttirnati. Uttirnaha bhavati we can say. Ya putraha parikshayam uttirnaha bhavati or uttirnam prapnoti. Right? Or uttirnaha bhavati also you can say. That is fine. Or uttirnam prapnoti. Let us take prapnoti. Yada tada would be because we need sati saptami therefore yada tada. Still we have to join this by yada tada. यदा पुत्रः
परीक्षायां
परीक्षायाम् उत्तीर्णं प्राप्नोति
उत्तीर्णं प्राप्नोति तदा माता
तदा
सन्तुष्यति
तद्दृश्य
माता सन्तुष्यति
परीक्षायां सप्तमी. No, कर्मणि this is लंग लकारा अदर लकारा can do. उत्तीर्णं प्राप्नोति और अप्राप्नोत.
अप्राप्नोति
और प्राप्तवान तदा
प्राप्तवान
माता संतुष्यति और we have to make lang lakara. Some is a upasarga. Let it be the atushyat becomes sampurvaka. Some is upasarga, not sun. Huh? Don't make it. If you make sun, there's a problem. Huh? You have to split the sandhi here. It is some because of sandhi has become sun. Don't take it as a sun. It is some. Padantamakara becomes anuswara. Or when followed by a vowel, it will not be. Therefore, samatushyat. So, samatushyat, past tense. Atushyat. So, mata is समत् यदा पुत्रः परीक्षायाम् उत्तीर्णं प्राप्नोति अप्राप्नोत् प्राप्तवान् तदा माता समतुष्यत. Right? Listen to sentence. कर्मणि of that would be यदा पुत्रः पुत्रेण
पुत्रेण
परीक्षायां सप्तमी, that will be सप्तमी, अधिकरण सप्तमी. Right? उत्तीर्ण is the karma. उत्तीर्णः he can take. उत्तीर्णः पुत्रेण उत्तीर्णः प्राप्नोति प्राप्यते.
प्राप्यते
And not
अप्राप्
aprapnot. This is wrong. Okay. A is agama. Pra is upasarga. This is wrong. Huh? Please. It is apnot. Ap is a dhatu. Therefore, pra upasarga becomes prapnot. Huh? Not aprapnot. That's wrong.
प्राप्नोति
Here we did correctly. Pra plus apnoti. Here pra plus apnot. So here also pra purvaka. Prap then prapyata. Yeah. Prapyata. Prapyate. That प्राप्यत
प्राप्यते
आप्यत प्राप्यत. लंग पुत्रेण परीक्षायाम् उत्तीर्णः प्राप्तः. उत्तीर्णः कर्म इज इन पुल्लिंग. उत्तीर्णः प्राप्यते प्राप्यत प्राप्तः तदा. राइट? सति would be innocent sentence. सति would be
पुत्रे
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 पुत्रे परीक्षायां.
परीक्षायां
This is Saptami. Adhikara Saptami will not change. And this is karma, that also will not change. Karta is changed. And prapnoti will become prapnuvati is a pradipadika. Prapnuvati, prapnuvati. Sati Saptami Shatranta. Saptami will be putre prapnuvati sati. Parikshayam uttirnam putre prapnuvati sati. Or praptavan will become praptavati. Then sati mata samatushyat.
तुष्यति
Understand the sentence. पुत्रे परीक्षायाम् उत्तीर्णं प्राप्नुवति or प्राप्तवती सति. कर्मणि would be पुत्रेण परीक्षायाम्
परीक्षायाम्
उत्तीर्णः becomes
प्राप्यमाने
उत्तीर्णे.
उत्तीर्णे
उत्तीर्णे प्राप्य माने
माने
सति और प्राप्ते सति. माता समतुष्यत. Right? यदा वसन्तकालः आगच्छति. Directly I will change here itself. आगच्छति or आगच्छत्. Already we have
आगच्छत्
done.
आगच्छति
Or
आगतवान्
आगतवान्
आगतवान्. Agatah also we can use in fact. Because gam dhatu, gatyat dhatu, tharupam, denote karta also. Okay, directly I am taking. Then karmani of this would be yada vasanta
कालेन
kalena
आगम्यते
आगम्यते
और आगम्य या
आगम्यत
आगम्यत आगतम्
आगतम्
आगतम तथा कोकिलः पूजति. यति would be
वसन्तकाले
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 आगच्छति
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 आगच्छति शत्रन्ता.
कोकिलः
आ
कुजति
कोकिलः आगतवान्
आगतवती
आगतवती. इति कोकिलः पूजति. कर्मणि वसन्तकालेन
आगम्यमाने
आगम्यमाने
आगम्यमाने आगतम
आगते
सति कोकिलः कूजति. Another four sentences. Sati we are done enough. यदा what is दिनिकः?
धनिकः
धनिक
धनिकः not दिनिकः. यदा धनिकः धनं यच्छति यच्छति और अयच्छत् और
अयच्छत्
अयच्छत् दत्तवान्
दत्तवान्. गुड दादातु it is दत्तवान् तदा निर्धनाः आगच्छन्ति. कर्मणि of that would be यदा
धनिकेन
धनिकेन
धनं
धनं प्रथमा विभक्ति
दीयते
now. Yes.
दीयते
दादातु yes. Good. दीयते. Then
अदीयत
अदीयत
अधीयत
दत्तं
दत्तम.
दत्तं
तदा निर्धनाः दादातु becomes yach. Okay. Then कर्तरि स्थिति would be सप्ति सप्तमी.
धनिके
धनिके
धनिके धनिके धनं
धनं यच्छति
यच्छति.
यच्छति
And here it is दत्ते
दत्ते
सप्तमी. निर्धनाः आगच्छन्ति. आगच्छन्ति we can say agam. आगच्छन्ति is आगच्छन् past tense. कर्मणि would be यदा धनिकेन धनं
दीयमाने
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 धने दीयमाने. Not dhanam. I don't know whether previous sentence made like any mistake I made like that. Dhane diyamane. Saptami you have to make it. Dhane diyamane or dhane
दत्ते
datte
दत्ते
sati.
दत्ते
Dhanaha agachan. Past tense. Yada sarve sherate. Sherate is ching dhatu sleeping. Tada choraha graham pravishati or pravishat langlakara. Because we are going to use lang also. Why lang? Because tavatu pratyaya we need to use. So therefore, pravishat. Yada sarve sherate. Sherate shatranta would be. Dhatu is sheing dhatu. Therefore becomes sheing dhatu. Nishta pratyaya will be shaitavan. Already that we have seen the shaitaha. That sheing dhatu. Shaitavan iti. Okay, now Shatru we required. Sheing plus Ganavikarna will come and Ganavikarna will go away. Right? Shete, Shayate, Sherate. Shayate is there that we have to take. Therefore, Sarve, Shayanaha. Remember, this is Shatranta of shing dhatu, shayanaha. It is atmanepadi dhatu. Therefore, we have only atmanepadi, shanach only. Sarve shayanaha. Right? Remember this?
Hmm.
Shete, shayate, sherate. This is
Sherate.
the rupam. Pratama, latlakara, pratama purusha, dvivachana rupam. That te, you replace it by te, you replace it by na. Shayana, you get. Shete, shayate. Shayate is a rupam. Te replaced by na. Shayana, you get. That is the Shatrantare. Yada sarve shayanaha stanti or stanti is understood. Shayanaha. Oh, okay. We have to do this is a latlakar, langlakara also. Then we can do langlakara of shing dhatu, ashe,
Sher- Sherata.
ashe. That is asherata. Same thing.
Asherata.
Sherate is there. You
Sherata.
add attagama a she rata. Then asherata nishtarupam would be shaita
Vantah.
vantaha.
Shaitavant.
Tada choraha. Shaitavan, shaitavanto, shaitavata. Right?
Hmm.
Sharach means Sati will do later. The karmani of that will be Yada Sarvaihi. Karmani would
Shayate.
be Sherate will become karmani.
Shayate.
Yes. Dhatu, Ishing Dhatu becomes, already we have seen this form also. Shayate and
Shayata.
Langlakara would be Ashaya,
Yata.
Ashayata.
Yata.
And this would
Shayitam.
be Shayitam. Yada
Shaitam.
Choraha Graham Pravishat. Now we can do the Dhatu is Atmane Paridhatu. Therefore, Sarve will
Sarve.
become
Sarveshu.
Sarveshu. Good. Sarveshu,
Sherateshu.
Shayaneshu. Not Shaya.
Shayanishu.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I said, no? Shayana, the word. Sarve,
Okay. Shayaneshu.
Shayanaha, Shayaneshu, Sarveshu, Shayaneshu, and here Shayita, Vatsu.
Vatsu.
Shayitavan, it's a Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana. Shayitavan, Shayitavanto, Shayitavantaha. Shayitavatsu, Satsu. Choraha, Griham, Pravishati, Pravishat. The karmani would be Sarvaihi, Shayyate, will become Shayyamane. Same thing. This is simple. Shaitam will become
Shaite.
Shayite.
Shayate.
Sati. Doraha
Purusha.
Gam Pravishat. Sarvegi Shayyamane Sati. Yadataha. Dhayati. Or Yatila. Yagati. Karmani. Langlakar would be Adhyayat. Nishtarupam. Yata. Var. Vartalapam. Guru. This is Kartari. Karmani, this will be Yada Bhaktaihi Jayate Adhyayata. And here,
Dhyayata. Dhyayatam. Dhyay.
not Dhyayatam, no yak here. Why are you making it? Yatam.
Dhyatam. Yeah.
No yak business here.
Ah.
No. Sati would be Bhakte Jayati. Bhakte Jayati Shatranta. Adhyayat. They become Jatavati.
Yatavati.
Sati. Vartalapam Makuru. Karmani of them would be Bhaktaihi Yaya Mane.
Mane.
Then Yatava Yate. याते सति वार्तालापं भवतु राइट यदा राघुः चंद्रम ग्रसते धातु इस ग्रस धातु आत्मनेपदी ग्रसते और
अग्रस
अग्रसता
अग्रसत् अग्रसत्
और ग्रसीतवान् ग्रसीतवान् तदा भोजनं न करणीयम्
अग्रसत्
sorry no no आत्मनेपदी right not अग्रसत आत्मनेपदी धातु ग्रसते is the right यदा
ओके
राहु तृतीया कारांत शब्द
राहुना
राहुना
राहुना राहुना
चंद्रः ग्रस्यते
ग्रस्यते
अग्रस्यत और
ग्रस्यते
ग्रसितः
ग्रस्तः
इट्स रिटन एज गस्यते गुरुजी
yeah?
ग्रस्यते
Okay it is not it is grasate grasate means devouring okay. Sati would be ragu ragu will become rahau
राहु
chandram grasate will become
ग्रसति
mm-hmm. grasati will come only if it is shatra if it is a parasmapadi this is atmanepadi dhatu ragu grasa mane
ग्रसमाने
राघव ग्रसमाने सती और ग्रसिते ग्रसितवान इज देयर ग्रसिता ग्रसिता ग्रसितवान becomes ग्रसितवती that is okay राघव ग्रसमाने और ग्रसितवती सती भोजनम न करणीयम understand चंद्रम is karma that remain as it is karta rahu saptami corresponding kuranta also is in saptami and this is par atre paridhatu therefore grasamane not grasati right now, karmani would be rahu rahuna it's okay chandraha will become
चंद्रे
chandre gras
चंद्रे
now here karmani grasyamane
ग्रस्यमाने
ग्रस्यमाणे
and grasite
ग्रसिते
sati bhojanam na karaniyam यदा अभिनेत्री आगच्छति तदा सर्वे करताडनं कुर्वन्ति अभिनेत्री आगच्छति और we have done same thing
आगच्छत्
आगच्छत् और
आगतवती
आगतवती
आगतवती तदा सर्वे करताडनं कर्मणि would be
अभिनेत्र्या
अभिनेत्र्या आगम्यते
नदी शब्द होता नेत्र्या नेत्र्या आगच्छति is
आगम्यते
आगम्यते
आगच्छत्
आगम्यत
this is
आगतम्
आगतम् तदा सर्वे करताडनं कुर्वन्ति past tense would be
कृतम्
अकुर्वन्
अकुर्वन्
कर्मणि सति would be not कर्मणि कर्तरि सति first
अभिनेत्र्याम्
yeah अभिनेत्री that will become अभिनेत्र्याम् आगच्छन्
आगच्छन्त्याम्
अगच्छत्याम्
then आगतवती
आग
याम्
आगव आगत्याम्
आगतवत्याम्
आगतवत्याम्
then सत्याम् सर्वे करताडनम् अकुर्वन् no कर्मणि is अभिनेत्र्या आगम्यते अभिनेत्र्या is अभिनेत्र्या only
आगम्यमाने
गम्यमाने
yes आगम्यमाने सति
आगते
सर्वे करतार्थम् अकुर्वन्. लास्ट सेंटेंस. यदा गुरुः आज्ञापयति तदा सर्वे शिष्याः सेवान्. It is मूर्धन्या दन्त्या. Is it मूर्धनि नकारा दन्त्य नकारा?
दन्त्य
Continue.
Dantya only, because Natvam happens only for apadanta nakara. This is padanta nakara. Sevaha, sevav, sevaha, sevam, sevav, sevan. Like Raman. How can be the Murdaniya? It's a mistake, huh? Typo. Yada guruhu ajñāpayati, tada. Okay, ajñāpayati. Lang would be
Agnya Payat.
ajñāpayati. Dhatu is
आज्ञापयति
jñā dhatu, causative form, pukkagama comes. You have seen. And Ishtarupam would be
Agnya Pitavan.
very good. Dhatu is jñāpi. So jñāpi plus tavat. Said dhatu only. Nijantas are all said. You have seen. Jñāpita, guruhu, jñāpitavan. यदा गुरुः ज्ञापितवान् तदा सर्वे शिष्याः सेवान् कुर्वन्ति अकुर्वन्. This is कर्तरि. कर्मणि would be यदा
Guruna.
गुरुणा
गुरुणा आज्ञापयति. You remember, you know how to this ajñāpayati comes? See, dhatu is jñā dhatu, a is upasarga, and jñā dhatu nijanta, causative. Jñā dhatu will become, jñā means to know. Janati, janitaha, jananti, that is a form. Okay. Jñā dhatu, ninth conjugation, ubhayapadi. Here, causative. Akara and the dhatu. So, nich pratyaya, when you add, then the jñā will take one. Akara and the dhatu, when nich pratyaya follows, pukkagama it will take. Therefore, ajna plus ni, therefore you have ajnapi. Jnapi is a dhatu now. A is upasarga. Now, ajnapi plus, if you add ti, ajnapayati, shap will come, and shap will cause angakarya. P will become E. E will become what? Ajnapi will become ajnape. Ajnape plus A plus T. A plus R is Ayadi Sandhi. I hope you remember all those things. Ajnapayati will come. So Ajnapayati, Latlakara Rupa, we get. And Nanglakara and all simple. Once we have Latlakara, Ajnapayat, all Lakaras possible, Ajnapayatu or Ajnapayat, Linglakara, all those. Nishta would be, again, Ajnapi is a dhatu. Jnapi is a dhatu. Jnapi is a anekach dhatu. Therefore, it is a set. Nishta pratyakta or tavatu. When you add, the dhatu is a set because anekach, therefore set, and this is valadi. Therefore, that is also it. Valadi set pratyaya. It will take itakama. Itavat. Right? Now, E plus E will become E. No. When a set ishta pratyaya follows, see my word. Set ishta pratyaya follows, E will drop. Already we have seen in Itagama topic. Therefore, you have Ajnap. And therefore, you just add that Ajnapitavat. So, Ajnapitavat is a Pradipadikam. That when you decline Ajnapitavan in Pullinga, Ajnapitavan, Ajnapitavanto, Ajnapitavantaha. Hearing here Ajnapitavati, the rule is when a set Nishta Pratyaya follows, Ni will drop. That is why here we have Jnapitavan, Ajnapitavan. Okay, understand? Now, Coming back here, karmani would be yada guruna
शिष्याः
shishya, not
आज्ञाप्यन्ते
agnapi plus yak plus te. Then what will happen here? Again, adadatuka pratyaya, not valadi. When anit pratyaya follows, then also ni, that e will go away. Therefore, ajnapyate.
Yajnapyate.
So the when does ni goes away? Ni goes away in two places, two occasions. One is when a set nishta pratyaya follows for anekash dhatu, that ni will drop. Other one is when a yak anit pratyaya follows, then also ni will go away. That is the example ni karmani also. Ajnapyate. Ya guruna ajnapyate, or guruna ajnapitam. तथा सर्वे शिष्याः सेवान् कुर्वन्. Now, sati of this, the guru will become
गुरौ
Rau.
Gurau.
Gurau
आज्ञापयति
Ajnapayati. That Ajnapayati only. Shatranta, right? Saptami. Ajnapitavan will become Ajnapita Mati
Ati.
Sati. Sarve Shishyaha Sevam Akurvan. Karmani would be Guruna. There is no object here. Bhave Priya. Guruna Ajnapayate becomes
Ajnapyamane.
Ajnapyamane. Ajnapite
Ajnapite.
Sati. Sarve Shishyaha Sevan Kurvanti Akurvan. That's it. We have done all Sati Saptami, all the 50. You have to please go through again the exercise. You do it yourself and then see. And if there are any mistakes, let us may also know. I don't think so. We give now if it is there.
yes
Then Sati Saptami, Shanach, some passages are there. Maybe we can read the next class. Next class we will complete this topic. This is done. You have to spend a lot of time on this. Not only Patishana, Chatrishana, and developing language, Karmani, etc. So many other side topics also seen in this context. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Tish Tihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. I send this
धन्यवाद
document.
yes
I think it will
yes
be useful. Go through
yes
the.
धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी